Ooh, windy. Let's go get them. I've got a bird down over here. I gotta go get it, make sure it doesn't walk away. Let's go. Oh, he's not walking away. These geese keep coming into these crane decoys, which is not real normal, but I guess it's the way it's going to be today. Comes up right here. But I'm not near the decoys right now. I'm kind of to the side of them. Look at this. Here comes one. I went and redid all the decoys. This wind is so bad, about 20 miles an hour, blowing them all over. We may get some here in a second. There's quite a few back in here. Quite a few. Birds are good today. They are really, really good. Cold front blew in last night, and I think we got a lot of new birds. We got a lot of birds that are hungry, wanting to feed, coming off and moving north off of these roosts. They've been really receptive to these decoys. They've been coming right to them. I have my homemade decoys, and if you're in the right spot, that's key. Here comes one right now, right to them. Comes some from behind. can take a honker call, one of these, this is an H81, it's that Hadel's. But if you work with it, you can use this thing as a crane call. It works pretty good. It's not great, but I'll tell you what, just a little bit of noise with those cranes goes a long way. Show you what it sounds like. Starting to sleep. It's getting pretty nasty, but there's a lot of geese back over here. I'm just gonna wait a little longer, see what happens, see if I can't get some geese to move. I don't know. And they're just everywhere. I forgot my connection for my windsock on my mic. Thanks to Apple. I don't know where I put it. But anyway, that little dongle thing you gotta use to plug into these new iPhones if you want to use a regular speaker thing, that's a hassle. Alright guys, I'm going to pack it up. I've got enough birds. It's not about the numbers really. It's about coming out and enjoying it. Man, I've had a great time, so I'm going to give these birds their field back and leave them alone. And we'll get after them again next time. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.